This is Jaeum Jung from Sungkyunkwan University in South Korea. My team came here for a third hackathon project, I2NSF. I2NSF stands for Interface to Network Security Functions for the cloud-based network security services. My team, 7 students and 1 Korea Telecom operator, and also the researcher are involved with this hackathon project. We proved our data-driven security management operation services. The I2NSF is to make interfaces and framework for heterogeneous network security solutions, how to integrate using standard interface. This time hackathon, we proved a data-driven Yang model to manage security policy and enforcement of security policy into network security functions, running on top of network virtualization environment. We implemented 2 things. The first one is firewall based on the port information. The second one is a repeater based on the content, such as Facebook, YouTube. The contents over HTTP web protocol can filter out. We demonstrate the framework and the standard interfaces based on I2NSF protocol. We implemented the idea based on IETF service function chaining SFC. So we combine network, firewall, and web filter together based on the SFC framework. Next time, we enhance our model, especially we focus on consumer-facing interface. Also, we work for the registration interface. And then we fully implement our I2NSF standard interfaces, and then we can prove. Also, our data Yang model will be synchronized with another working group, SUPA. SUPA means simplify the use of the user policy. So we can work for their work together.